What if I told you that you can earn up to 10 lakh from fish farming while using less water and lower feed costs? Sounds impossible? That's the power of Biofloc technology. But how can dirty-looking water produce healthy fish? The secret lies in billions of beneficial bacteria that converts toxic fish waste into protein-rich natural feed. To prepare Biofloc in a 15,000-liter tank, fill the tank with water and provide continuous aeration. Then prepare a starter culture by mixing 150 liters of water, 3 kilograms of pond soil, 1.5 grams of urea or ammonium sulfate, and 30 grams of jaggery, wheat flour or tapioca flour. Aerate this mixture for 24 to 48 hours until the water becomes turbid with foam. Then add it to the main tank. After stocking the fish, add about 600 grams of jaggery or another carbon source for every 1 kilogram of 25% protein feed until the required biofloc develops. But remember the biggest mistake: never stop aeration. Without oxygen, the beneficial bacteria die, ammonia builds up rapidly, water quality crashes, and the entire fish crop can be lost within hours. That's why Biofloc is becoming one of the fastest growing fish farming technologies, helping farmers save water, reduce feed costs, and increase profits.